This is a water wheel technique that I was inspired by Eleanor Burns to show you how to do this. It's actually kind of simple and kind of pretty at the same time. But it's a different technique. It doesn't do any half square triangles, so you might like this. I'm going to set this aside and show you how to do the water wheel. It really starts with just a couple of simple pieces. You need a 6-inch square of your background, which I'm using white. And then you need 4 fabric strips. These came from a jelly roll, so they're 2.5 inches wide already. Wide. And they need to be 6 inches long. So if you've got this, you're in good shape. You can make the water wheel quilt block very easily. So I'm going to toss a couple of these aside for a minute. I'm going to work with this first because you're going to take your white block and you are going to cut it along its diagonal lines, okay? Like that, and like that. So we've got 4 identical pieces. Oh, I didn't cut through that all the way. Then you're going to take your rectangular strip. Now this is what's interesting about this. It's a little different. I take my small little ruler here. On the top edge of this, you want to measure in 2 3/8 of an inch. So I'm going to take my little ruler here that I used to square up quilt blocks with, and I'm going to measure 2 3/8, which is right here. And then I'm going to put my ruler right there and bring it down to the corner here and cut this off. All right? Now we're in business. Now we're ready to build this water wheel quilt block. Now I don't need these guys anymore. I've got other samples to show you. So we're at this stage. Our rectangle now has an angle to it. I want you to turn it towards you. With the short end, take your triangle, turn it face down onto this, and look, this is a right angle. I want your triangle also the right angle. You want to match these up along the short edge of your piece. You're going to stitch a 1/4 inch seam down the middle there. Now when you do that and you open it up, I'll show you in a different color here. I stitched across here, and when I open this up and press it open, that is 1/4 of the design. Very simple, right? So you just make 4 of those. And then when you're ready to assemble it, let me lay these out for you. I made a few extras. You would go like this. I actually my next one, I think I'll change colors up. Do this, and then the last one is there. And of course you just fold these over, stitch, right? You'll do the last one as well. And then together fold them both over, stitch, and then you, my friends, have the beautiful water wheel quilt block. I made another color of this too. The colors are great. It's so simple. I love anything on a white background. But also, if you've got lighter fabrics, consider a black background because it'll really make those colors pop. So give the water wheel a try, and happy sewing.